Hello friends, welcome to Active Education Pro. In this video, we came back with the fourth video series of property of rational numbers. This is the video for distributive property. Already we have discussed about three properties. This is closure property, commutative property and associative property. In these property, some of them true for addition, some of them true for subtraction, some of them true for multiplication as well as division. Here we have to check the distributive property each exists for each operation. In this case, something is exceptional, means in this property at a time two mathematical operations happening together, means addition with multiplication with subtraction, etc. It is known as multiplication over addition. First add two numbers, then multiply with the third one, then multiplication with subtraction, means first subtract the last two numbers and then multiply with the first one. So let's start one by one to check for distributive property for rational numbers. So first property is, first check for multiplication over addition. Take such three numbers of rational numbers, means A, B and C. A, B and C. Distributive property for multiplication over addition says that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Again I repeat it. Distributive property for multiplication over addition says that A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. First, on our left side, first we add these last two numbers, then multiply by the first one. Okay, by taking rational numbers, check it whether this condition is true or not. A is equal to 1 by 3, B is 2 by 4, C is 1 by 2 by 3. Okay, first check for left side. A cross B plus C is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 by 4 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into, take the LCM, 12, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. 1 by 3, 8 plus 6 is 14 by 12, and here your answer is 14 by 12 3 is 36. 14 by 36 is your answer for our left side. Then check for right side. A cross B plus A cross C. 1 by 3 into 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 1 by 3 by 2 by 4 into 2 by 4. First solve this part. 2 1 ja 2 by 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 1 ja 2, 3 3 ja 9. Then take the LCM. 12 9 ja 108. Then 18 plus 24. 42 by 108. In this case, both 42 and 108 are the, in this two number, 3 is the common factor. If you cancel it by 3, it will become 3 14 ja 42 and 3 36 are 108. So answer is 14 by 36. Check. On our left side, our answer is 14 by 36. On our right side, the answer is 14 by 36. So A cross B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. This satisfies the rule for distributive property for multiplication over addition for rational numbers. So it is holds true for multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Next, check for multiplication over subtraction. Take three rational numbers to check distributive property for multiplication over subtraction for rational numbers A, B and C. This distributive property for multiplication over subtraction says that A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Again I repeat it, A multiplied by B minus C is equal to A multiplied B minus A multiplied by C. So take first numerical rational numbers to check it. A is 1 by 3, B is 2 by 4 and C is 2 by 3. First check for left side, A cross B minus C. 1 by 3 cross 2 by 4 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 cross 12, 6 minus 8, it will be 1 by 3 into minus 2 by 12. Your answer is minus 2 by 12 3 is 36. Minus 2 by 36 is your answer. Again check for right side, A cross B minus A cross C. 1 by 3 into 2 by 4 minus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. All numbers are positive decimal numbers. First solve this bracket. 1 2 is 2 by 3 4 is 12 minus 2 1 is 2 by 3 3 is 9. Take LCM 108. 18 minus 24. Your answer is minus 6 by 108. In these two numbers, minus 6 and 108, 3 is the common factor. So by cancel it, 3 will be comes out 3 minus 2 is minus 6, 336 is 108. So here our new answer is minus 2 by 36. Check. Multiplication over subtraction. Left side answer is minus 2 by 36. Right side answer is also minus 2 by 36. Both are equal. They are not different. So it follows the conditions A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Similarly, other property, closure property, associative property, commutative property, it is true for some operations, it is not true for some another operation. So then next number for check the distributive property for division over addition, because in this property we told you that yes, here we discussed about at a time two operations happening together in distributive property for rational numbers. So next one is to check division over addition. Division over addition. So here check three numbers A, B and C. Division over addition says that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. The distributive property for division over addition of rational numbers says that when a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So division over addition for rational numbers is not distributive, but in our last case, when we multiplied over addition and multiplied over subtraction, both are distributive for rational numbers. Check by this number: a is 1 by 3, b is 2 by 4, c is 2 by 3. First check left side: a divide b plus c. 1 by 3 divide 2 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Here answer is 1 by 3 divided 12, 6 plus 8. 1 by 3 divided 6 is the 14 by 12, and you know at the time of division just change the position of numerator and denominator. 12 by 14, 3 4 ja 12, and your answer is 4 ja 4 1 ja 4 by 14. This is your answer for left side. Then check for right side: a divided by b plus a divided by c. 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3 divided 2 by 3. 1 by 3 multiplied 4 by 2 plus 1 by 3 multiplied 3 by 2. Again solve it. 4 by just 6 plus cancel 1 by, sorry, there is a plus sign, 1 by 2, here 6, 4 plus 3. The answer is 7 by 6. Check these two answers. Left side answer and right side answer are totally different from each other, so it is not equal to its right side. So distributive property for division over addition is not distributive. So this is all about distributive property of rational numbers. Till now we have discussed the four property: closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. And I think you found the important video about rational numbers. This is very important. Watch the entire video and make your own note and practice yourself at your home. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment on my video. Thank you.